Welcome back to Epic Quotes, the channel where we delve into the powerful lives of the world's most inspiring figures. Today, we'll take a deep dive into the life and legacy of one of the most influential leaders of our time, the 44th President of the United States, Barack Obama. From his humble beginnings to becoming the first African-American president, Obama's journey is a testament to perseverance, hope, and the power of leadership. We'll explore how his experiences shaped his path, his accomplishments in office, and the profound lessons we can all learn from his remarkable life. So, let's begin this extraordinary story. Barack Obama was born on August 4, 1961, in Honolulu, Hawaii, to a mixed-race family. His father, Barack Obama Sr., hailed from Kenya, while his mother, Ann Dunham, was from Kansas. Although his parents divorced when he was young, the unique blend of cultures in his life had a profound impact on him. Raised mostly by his mother and maternal grandparents, Obama experienced the complexities of being a child of two worlds, something that would shape his view of race, identity, and what it means to belong. This dual heritage played a key role in his development, making him more empathetic toward others who faced struggles of identity and discrimination. As a young boy, Obama moved between different places, living in Hawaii, spending a short period in Indonesia with his mother and stepfather, and later returning to Hawaii to finish his schooling. His early life was marked by challenges, not only in terms of his upbringing, but also in terms of identity. Obama struggled with fitting in and understanding his place in the world, something many of us can relate to. His upbringing wasn't always easy, and it's a reminder that even those who go on to do extraordinary things often face the same personal battles. During his time in high school, Obama developed a love for basketball, which became his outlet for relaxation and self-expression. But it was his passion for reading and learning that truly set him apart. He was a bright student who read everything from classic literature to history books, which fueled his desire to understand the world in a deeper way. This intellectual curiosity and commitment to education would guide him through the rest of his life. After high school, Obama attended Occidental College in California before transferring to Columbia University in New York. At Columbia, he majored in political science and became increasingly aware of the social issues affecting America, particularly racial inequality and poverty. His time in New York exposed him to a broader spectrum of society and solidified his decision to pursue a career focused on social justice. His ability to understand the struggles of others, especially those from disadvantaged communities, was something that he carried throughout his life. After graduation, Obama decided to move to Chicago, where he took up the work of community organizing. This was a critical period in his life, as he chose to work on the front lines of social change. As a community organizer in Chicago's South Side, Obama worked tirelessly to help improve the lives of low-impact African-American residents. He fought for better housing, access to education, and better job opportunities. But this work wasn't glamorous or easy. It meant long hours, dealing with community frustration, and struggling against systemic inequalities. However, it was during this period that Obama's passion for public service grew, and it became clear that he was committed to making real, on-the-ground change. In 1996, Obama was elected to the Illinois State Senate. This was the beginning of his political career, and from the very start he worked on issues that directly impacted his community, such as healthcare and civil rights. His ability to build coalitions and work across political lines made him stand out as a rising star. During this time, Obama also met Michelle Robinson, who was working at a law firm in Chicago. Their relationship blossomed, and they married in 1992, starting a family with 2 daughters, Malia and Sasha. Michelle became a steadfast partner in Obama's journey, offering her own unique perspective and a deep commitment to public service. However, it was Obama's 2004 keynote address at the Democratic National Convention that truly launched him into the national spotlight. His speech, which famously declared, "There's not a liberal America and a conservative America. There's the United States of America," resonated with millions of Americans. It was a call for unity in a time when the nation seemed deeply divided. His eloquence, vision, and message of hope were exactly what the country needed. Obama's words inspired a sense of optimism that spoke to people of all backgrounds. It was in this moment that America saw Obama's potential as a unifying leader, someone who could rise above political divisions and push for meaningful change. Riding the wave of his successful speech, Obama decided to run for the U.S. Senate in Illinois in 2004, and he won the seat with a decisive victory. His political ascent was meteoric, but he remained focused on the issues that mattered to everyday people. He fought for healthcare reform, voting rights, and government transparency. But even as he was making a name for himself, Obama knew that the path to the presidency would require more than just talent. It would require a deep connection with the American people. In 2007, Obama announced his candidacy for President of the United States, facing off against well-established figures like Hillary Clinton. His campaign was built on a platform of change, hope, and the idea that America could do better, that it was time for a new direction. As he crisscrossed the country, meeting people from all walks of life, Obama's message resonated deeply. He spoke about the challenges America faced, from the ongoing wars in Iraq and Afghanistan to the economic crisis, but he also offered a vision for a more inclusive and prosperous future. On November 4, 2008, Barack Obama made history by becoming the first African-American president of the United States. His victory was not just a personal achievement, but a symbolic one, showing that despite the nation's history of racial inequality, progress was possible. His victory speech in Chicago was an emotional moment, as Obama addressed the crowd saying, "This is our moment. This is our time." His election represented the culmination of years of hard work, determination, and a belief in the power of hope. As president, Obama faced immediate challenges, including the global financial crisis, 2 ongoing wars, and a deeply divided Congress. But his leadership during these turbulent times demonstrated his ability to remain calm under pressure and think long-term. His administration passed landmark legislation, such as the Affordable Care Act, which expanded health care to millions of uninsured Americans, and the Dodd-Frank Act, aimed at reforming the financial industry to prevent another crisis. Obama also made significant strides in foreign policy, particularly in relation to climate change and the Iran nuclear deal. Perhaps one of Obama's greatest achievements was his ability to maintain a sense of optimism in the face of adversity. Throughout his presidency, he constantly reminded Americans that change was possible, that we could make a difference if we worked together. His calm demeanor, his calm admiration for enterprises and ability to communicate effectively earned him admiration from people across the world. We're going to play 7 more seconds of the clip from the film and talk about the experience of living the dream. Now, as he reflects on his presidency and continues his work through the Obama Foundation, Obama's legacy lives on. His presidency not only reshaped the political landscape, but also inspired a generation of young leaders to think critically, act courageously, and believe in the power of collective action. Obama's life teaches us that leadership is about more than just political power. It's about service, about lifting others up, and about creating a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Barack Obama's journey is a powerful reminder that no matter where you come from, no matter the, quote, obstacles in your way, you can achieve greatness through determination, hope, and a deep sense of purpose. His story continues to inspire us to be better, do better, and lead with integrity. What lesson from Barack Obama's life inspired you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories of leadership and resilience here on Epic Quotes. Until next time, stay inspired and keep striving for greatness.